Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is Dr. Pavitra AC, working as an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science and Design, ATME College of Engineering, Mysuru. Today, I'll be explaining the parallel computing program for broadcasting with MPI broadcast. The program says write an MPI program to demonstration of broadcast operation. Broadcasting is nothing but it is one of the standard collective communication technique. During a broadcast, one process sends the same data to all the processes in a communicator. One of the main use of this broadcasting is to send out user input to a parallel program or send out configuration parameters to all processes. Basically, process 0 is the root process and it has the initial copy of the data. All of the other processes receives the copy of the data. Now, let us see the code of the program. So here we are including the header of file for MPI functions and the header file for the standard IO input output functions. Now integer main of integer argument of C, argument of V, and again initialize this rank and size with an integer, and rank is nothing but the rank ID of the process and size is nothing but total number of the process. Int data is nothing but the data to broadcast, that is variables that will be broadcast to all the process. Now let us initialize the MPI execution in environment. So for that we have to use MPI init. So you are going to initialize the MPI environment and get the rank, that is process ID. So get the process ID of the current process and then get the total number of the process using the common size. So we are going to get the total number of process in the communicator in the common size. Now code is executed only by the root process as we discussed. So if rank is equal to 0, data is initialized with a 42 for the root process that is set in the data. Print that process is broadcasting the data. Now broadcast the data from process 0 to all the process. To do so, we are going to use the syntax MPI bcast, that is broadcast, with data, that is MPI data 1, MPI init 0 and the communication word. Here after MPI broadcast, all the processes, that is including the root, will have the same value of the data after the communication. Then all the processes receives the same data and print that this process has received the data and finalize the MPI and then return. That is the end of the program. The output of the program says, here we are going to execute this program in the Ubuntu with 11.2.0 version, and here just compile the program using MPICC -G-O MPI broadcast, that is the name of the program, and then run the program. Initially process 0 it is broadcasting 42 data as it is given in the program. So process 0 receives the same data 42 and again process 1 also receives the same data 42 because this is a broadcast program. Now if I initialize to 5, the same 5 process, when process 0 is receiving 42, even process 1, 2, 3 and 4 have received the same data of 42. That means this process 0 is broadcasting 42 data to all the remaining data. So, like this, we can broadcast the data. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.